Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Please like, share, comment and subscribe. In this video, we're going to take a deeper look at how to determine the right payload capacity based on your specific needs and lifestyle. Let's get into it. The role of payload capacity in business operations. When it comes to making your business operations run smoothly, understanding payload capacity is key. By knowing how payload capacity influences different aspects of your operations, you can make informed choices that lead to efficiency, compliance, and optimized routing. Here's a closer look at the significant roles payload capacity plays in business. Cost efficiency. Analyze how optimal payload capacity can lead to cost savings. Having the right payload capacity can save money in various ways. When you choose a truck with optimal capacity, you enhance your ability to transport more goods in fewer trips. Fewer trips mean lower fuel costs, reduced wear and tear on the vehicle, and less time spent on the road. These savings add up significantly over time. Consider a company that transports building materials. If its trucks can only carry a fraction of the load needed, it will have to make multiple trips. Each trip incurs costs, fuel, labor, and vehicle maintenance. Conversely, a truck with a higher payload capacity allows for larger loads and fewer trips. This efficiency translates to a better bottom line. Businesses should also consider how payload capacity affects shipping costs. Carriers often charge based on weight and volume. By maximizing your vehicle's payload capacity, you can increase your shipping efficiency, potentially saving on freight costs from carriers. Regulatory compliance. Discuss regulations regarding weight limits and the importance of adhering to them. Adhering to weight limit regulations is essential for any business involved in transport. Overloading your truck can lead to severe legal consequences, ranging from fines to vehicle impoundment. Regulatory bodies set strict weight limits to ensure road safety and vehicle integrity. Each state has different regulations, but they all emphasize the need for compliance. Failure to meet weight restrictions can also impact your insurance. If an accident occurs while exceeding the legal weight limit, insurance may not cover the damages. Being compliant not only protects your business from legal issues but also enhances your reputation. Customers and partners appreciate working with companies that prioritize safety and adhere to regulations. It's a trust-building measure that can pay off in the long run. Impact on route planning. Explain how payload capacity impacts route selection and planning. Payload capacity directly influences route planning. Heavier loads may require specific routes that can handle the weight, avoiding bridges and roads with weight restrictions. Utilizing GPS and route optimization software can help in making these considerations automatically. A truck that is near its payload capacity might not be able to travel on certain highways or through specific neighborhoods. That's why understanding these limitations can help you avoid delays and detours. Delays can be costly, not just in terms of time, but also in terms of unhappy customers. Additionally, knowing your payload capacity lets you better predict travel times. If you overload your truck, you may have to drive slower to maintain safety, impacting delivery schedules. Keeping your payload within limits allows for more reliable planning and timely deliveries. In summary, understanding the role of payload capacity in business operations leads to smarter decisions that save money, maintain compliance, and enhance logistical planning. Choosing the right truck based on payload needs. Selecting the right truck requires careful consideration of your specific payload needs. Making an informed decision not only enhances safety but also optimizes performance and efficiency. This section will guide you through important factors to consider when choosing a truck based on the loads you'll be transporting. Assessing load requirements. To choose the right truck, start by evaluating your load requirements. Understanding what you will be hauling is the first step in the selection process. Here are some effective methods to correctly assess your load needs. List your typical loads. Write down the types of materials or items you frequently transport. Consider their weights and sizes. Estimate average weight. If possible, weigh a sample load to get an accurate understanding of the average weight you will be carrying. Consider future needs. Think about potential growth. Will you need to transport heavier or larger items in the future? It's wise to plan ahead to ensure your truck can handle potential changes. Talk to your team. If you work with others in transport or logistics, their insights can be invaluable. They might already have experience with specific truck models that meet load demands effectively. Having a clear picture of your load requirements will better position you to choose the most appropriate truck. Understanding manufacturer specifications. Once you have assessed your load needs, dive into researching the specifications provided by truck manufacturers. This is a critical step that many overlook, but it's essential for making an informed decision. Here's how to go about it. Review payload capacity ratings. Each truck model has a specified payload capacity. Look for this information in the owner's manual or on the manufacturer's website. Compare models. Shortlist several truck models that meet your payload requirements. Compare their specifications to find the one that best matches your needs. Consider additional features. Some trucks offer features that enhance load carrying capabilities, such as reinforced frames or advanced suspension systems. Factor these in when making comparisons. Engaging with manufacturer specifications allows you to ensure that your truck can safely and efficiently handle your specific payload requirements. Consulting industry experts. Seeking advice from industry experts can provide you with valuable insights when selecting a truck. Don't hesitate to reach out to professionals who specialize in trucks or are familiar with your industry. Here are some benefits of consulting with experts. Tailored recommendations. Experts can recommend specific truck models based on your unique load requirements. They understand the intricacies of different trucks and can guide you to the best options. Insights on performance. Those with experience can share real-world feedback on how specific trucks handle various payloads. This practical knowledge can help you avoid common pitfalls. Understanding regulations. Experts can also inform you about relevant regulations concerning payload limits. Staying compliant is vital for safety and legal reasons, and experts can help you navigate this landscape. Consulting industry insiders can elevate your decision-making, ensuring you select a truck that is not only capable but also reliable and compliant. Common myths about payload capacity. When it comes to selecting the right truck, understanding payload capacity is essential. However, numerous misconceptions can cloud this crucial aspect, leading to mistakes that could have serious consequences. Here, we will tackle 2 common myths to help clarify what you really need to know. Larger trucks always have higher payloads. A common belief is that bigger trucks automatically have higher payload capacities. While it might seem logical, this isn't always true. Payload capacity depends on various factors, including the truck's design, materials, and specifications, not just its size. Consider light-duty and heavy-duty trucks. A large light-duty truck, like a full-size pickup, may not carry as much as a smaller heavy-duty truck designed for heavy loads. It's essential to look beyond size and examine individual specifications. Model specifications. Always check the manufacturer's information for payload ratings. Just because a truck looks bigger doesn't mean it can handle more weight. Material and design. Construction materials play a significant role in how much weight a truck can support. A well-engineered smaller truck might outperform a bulkier one in terms of payload capacity. Intended use. Trucks are designed with different workloads in mind. A truck optimized for towing might have different limits than one built primarily for hauling. In short, don't assume bigger is better when it comes to payload capacity. Always verify the specifics to make an informed decision. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.